What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear and simple roadmap to start building wealth through the stock market without feeling overwhelmed? Whether you're a complete beginner or just hesitant to take that first step, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating at first. Numbers, graphs, and financial jargon everywhere. But the truth is, it's much simpler than you think when you break it down. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start investing in 2024, whether you have $100 or $10,000. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to begin. Let's get started. 2. Why invest in the stock market? 20 to 40 seconds first. Why should you even care about investing? The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your money over time. If you let your cash just sit in a savings account, inflation eats away at its value. But when you invest, your money works for you. Imagine this: if you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 index 10 years ago, today, you'd have over $3,000. That's the power of compound growth. Before diving into stocks, you need a strong foundation. Here's what that looks like. Emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. This ensures you're covered in case of emergencies. Debt check. Pay off high-interest debt, like credit card debt. Why? Because no stock can consistently beat the 20% interest your credit card charges. Budget for investing. Decide how much you can afford to invest each month. Even $50 or $100 is a great start. Now, let's talk about the stock market itself. Think of it like this: when you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a company. If the company grows and makes money, your stock becomes more valuable. Here are the key terms you need to know. Stocks, individual companies like Apple or Tesla. ETFs, a collection of stocks, like a basket, that you can buy all at once. Great for beginners. Risk tolerance, how much risk you can handle without losing sleep. This depends on your age, income, and goal. Invest, you need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Popular platforms in 2024 include Robinhood, Fidelity, and Vanguard. Choose one that's user-friendly and has low fees. Most platforms let you start with as little as $1, so don't let money hold you back. Now comes the fun part: deciding what to invest in. Here are 3 simple strategies. 1. Index funds and ETFs. These track the overall market and are perfect for beginners. Examples include the S&P 500 ETF like VU or SPY. 2. Dividend stocks. Companies that pay you cash regularly, like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. 3. Growth stocks. Companies with big potential, like tech startups. Pro tip: start with ETFs to minimize risk and diversify automatically. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Begin small. Invest $50 or $100 per month. This approach is called dollar cost averaging. It means you're buying stocks regularly, regardless of market ups and downs. Over time, this reduces risk and helps you build wealth steadily. 8. Step 6. Monitor and adjust 220 to 250 seconds. Once you've started investing, check in on your portfolio every few months. Are your investments aligned with your goals? If not, make adjustments. But here's a tip: don't overreact to daily market news. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. 9. Quick recap: 250 to 280 seconds. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. 1. Build your financial foundation. 2. Learn the basics of the stock market. 3. Open a brokerage account. 4. Start with ETFs and simple strategies. 5. Invest small amounts consistently. 6. Monitor and stay patient. See, it's not as complicated as it seems. 10. Call to action: 280 to 300 seconds. Now it's your turn. Take a platform, set up an account, and make your first investment. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start investing. Let's grow together in 2024.